There's something almost hypnotic about routine, isn't there? Wake up, caffeinate, commute, work, eat, sleep, repeat. But underneath that rhythm, there's often a silent soundtrack playing in the background. It goes like this. I hope my salary comes in before my card payment clears. Maybe I'll just move that bill to next week. Again. I work so hard. Why does it still feel like I'm behind? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And no, it's not because you don't work hard enough or dream big enough. It's because you were never taught how money actually works. But today, we're changing that. Today, we're going to break the spell and unlock the exact roadmap to help you finally break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck trap, all while keeping it real, fun, and just a little bit sparkly. The illusion of stability. Let's start here. Most of us grew up thinking that a full-time job equals financial security. And to be fair, for our parents' generation, that was often true. Work hard, climb the ladder, get your pension, retire with some savings. But in our reality, rent's sky high, food costs more, and those small monthly subscriptions, they're multiplying like rabbits. Suddenly, your decent salary becomes a bucket with holes. You patch one, another opens. This isn't a lack of effort. It's a flawed system. A system that never taught you how to. Budget properly. Save consistently. Grow your money instead of watching it evaporate. So let's fix that, shall we? Awareness is step one, and it's a superpower. Before you can fix your money story, you need to see it clearly. Let's play a quick game. Imagine every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of life you want. That bubble tea? Vote for joy. That grab ride? Vote for convenience. That $50 Zara spree? Vote for style. And maybe a little stress depending on your account balance. Start by tracking everything for just 1 week. Don't judge yourself. Just observe. You're not budgeting yet. You're collecting data. Because clarity? That's where real control begins. Build the budget that loves you. Forget those dry Excel spreadsheets titled Monthly Budget Final.clx. We're making something better, a conscious money map. Here's how it works. Essentials, 50%. Rent, bills, groceries, transport. Future you, 20%. Savings, investments, debt payoff. Fun stuff, 20%. Cafes, hobbies, Netflix, unicorn plushies. Freedom fund, 10%. This is for dreams, your side hustle, that trip to Tokyo, or just space to breathe. Suddenly, your money isn't vanishing. It's flowing. With intention, build a safety bubble. Emergency Fund 101. Imagine your life as a little boat. Now imagine a surprise storm hits. A job loss, a medical bill, a broken phone. Without an emergency fund, you're sinking. With one, you ride the waves like a boss. Start small. Aim for 1 month of expenses, then 3, eventually 6. Keep it in a separate savings account, one that's slightly annoying to access, because temptation is real. This fund is your emotional and financial cushion. It whispers, "You've got this," on your worst days. Automate your way to abundance. You know that feeling when you set your phone to do not disturb and finally relax. That's what automating your money does. Auto transfer to savings on payday. Check auto invest into ETFs or robo-advisors like Stashaway or EndoUs. Check auto pay bills so you don't get slapped with late fees. Check, check, check! Your brain is for big ideas, not bill dates. Set and forget, and thrive. Your income is not a ceiling. Grow it! You can only cut back so much. But your income? That's scalable. Ask for that raise. Start a tiny side hustle. Monetize your skills. Tutoring, writing, crafting, editing, even an extra $200 a month? That's $2.4K a year. That's breathing room, or seed money, or freedom fuel. The internet is your playground. Start where you are, use what you have, and watch your world expand. Don't just save. Grow your wealth. Saving money is good, but growing money? That's the game changer. Investing used to feel like something only finance bros did. Now, anyone with $50 and a smartphone can start. Explore these options. Singapore Savings Bonds, SSBs. Robo-advisors, REITs. real estate investment trusts. Start small, learn as you go. Don't wait for someday, because the magic of compounding starts with today. Gratitude. Abundance amplifier. Here's the secret sauce. The more you notice what you already have, the more you attract. Gratitude isn't just fluffy vibes. It shifts your money mindset from lack to overflow. Try this nightly ritual. List 3 money-related things you're grateful for. Even if it's just, I had $5 to buy coffee today. That's not small. That's everything. You're not stuck. You're starting. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't a personality flaw. It's a system issue, a knowledge gap, a cycle passed down. But today, you chose something different. You chose clarity, action, empowerment. You don't need to win the lottery. You just need to take small, consistent steps. Build your cushion, automate your money, grow your income, and always celebrate the progress. Because your freedom, it doesn't start when you hit some magical number. It starts the moment you decide, I deserve more than stress. I deserve peace. And trust me, peace is profitable. You've got this, and we've got your back. Like this video? Share it with someone stuck in the cycle. And remember, freedom looks good on you.